Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post multiple haul videos, vlogs, DIY, shopping, all that. So if you like all that kind of content, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my videos. Trust me. Oh, wrinkle. Yeah, but today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. This will be for multiple days, multiple stores, just because I like to combine them. And I'm trying to grow my nails out right now, so if you see them non-painted for a while, it's because I saw like a thing on TikTok, if you let them grow out, whatever. So, yeah, nobody cares. But yeah, so let's jump into this little haul. These are from two stores. So, I repurchased these mango fruit jellies. These are so good. And put them in the fridge. Trust me, put them in the fridge. They are so much better in the fridge. So, got that. Then, I got the snail moisturizer. I personally love the serum. So, I was like, okay, this was the last one on the shelf. And I was like, okay, it's mine. So, just the snail moisturizer. I love that. So, got her. Then, these were new. I've never saw these before. TikTok, nowhere. But they're the Disney Stitch 2-pack reusable snack bags. And you get 2 in here for $1.25. And I will open them and show you guys. And they also had multiple. They had Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse, Stitch, and something else Disney that I can't remember. But yeah, you get 2 in here. And I think they're just cute, especially like back to school and packing kids' lunches and stuff. So this is the first one, says chillin'. And then this one says catch my drift, which I say all the time. So yeah, you get 2 for $1.25. So there's that. Then I restocked on my Vaseline dupe sweet and creamy caramel. And for the fall, like these are just essential. So got her. And something mine. Then another restock, my favorite freaking lip balm. I haven't seen this in forever, so I was like, yes, I will snag it. Favorite lip balm ever. Then, speaking of lip balms, I got the hydrating lip balm in clear because I needed a clear one for my purse, just because I always use colored ones. But I was like, you know what, I just need a clear one to go over, like, my lipstick right now. So it's like, just got this, and it's clear, and I love the packaging. Then, of course, I got the lipstick holder to go with it. These are actually, like, amazing. I love these things. So, watch it not fit now that I'm hyping it up. My luck. And the little mirror on it is so cute. So just, throw it in there, throw a little lipstick in there. Without blinding you guys, see that? And throw it in my purse. But yeah. So I got that. Then I got the little red heart keychain for my DIYs that I still have to sit down and film. So we got that. And then I got this for a little gift bag, but it is the Give Me a Kitty Kiss Blueberry lip gloss. I'm obsessed with these, so I'm putting this in a little gift. So we got that. Then, okay, we finally got something new. So the Glow Up Blush, but this is in Petal Bloom. Like, this is definitely a new shade. Like, I've never seen this shade before, never heard it, and I'm just obsessed with how pinky it is. Let's see if we can get a better look at it. I'm literally obsessed with how pinky that is. Like, look at that. So, this is Petal Bloom, brand new. Never saw it, never seen it on TikTok, nothing. Then, I did get another fair medium because I was running low. Then, let me tell you, best thing Dollar Tree's ever came out with. I'm not even kidding you. And when I saw this, I was like, yes, I haven't seen them. I need it. I can't hype these up enough, literally. Then I just got another pack of the Goody new hair scrunchies. These are going in my purse. If you're a girl, you know you can never have enough hair ties in your purse. Then I got the Joha Airtight lipstick, and this is in Daydream. So I literally have my little Joanna lipsticks in here, and I'm gonna do a whole video on like reviewing them and trying them and stuff. So got that. Then the last thing from this Dollar Tree day is tinted lip balm. I love these, and again, these fit perfectly in that little compartment, like the little lipstick holder. But I just love the packaging, so cute. So yeah, so that is all for day one of this all. Hopefully I get to new better stores and we get more stuff. Busy week, so hopefully, yeah. Okay, we're back. I went to 2 stores, I think 3 stores, and I finally scored. I'm so excited. So let's just jump into it. So first off, restock, I got another one of the LED coasters. I freaking love these. So I need another one. Then, finally, Brookstone, we got the Salon Grade anodized steel 2-pack foldable eyebrow trimmers. Like, are you kidding? And we all know Brookstone. If you don't know, it was a very, like, real brand, name brand. So these for $1.25, yeah, amazing. And then, sorry, my eyes are so dry. We have the Brookstone 3-pack eyebrow repair kit. Okay, so you get like eyelash applicators, tweezers, and I guess a trimmer. I guess. Yeah, T-shaped eyebrow scraper, small flat mounted eyelash curler, and a flat eyebrow clip. So that's everything you get in there. And for $1.25, yes please. So got that. Then I got my grandma the whole body deodorant, peach and vanilla blossom. This is fantastic. Then, I got this cute little notebook. It says take note on it, and it's just this really pretty purpley, which I'm obsessed with right now. So we got her. Then, never saw these before, but these are Primart Marker Superior Art Supplies Premium Fabric Markers. And you get like those colors, and these were $1.25. Like, this is a great deal. So we got those. Then we got some new holograph stickers, which I love these because you can put like on your cups, laptops, whatever. But I got this set. Like, how funny is that? So we got that one. Then we got this one. There was one more, it was like outer space, but I really was not a fan of it, so I did not get that. But these are the 3 that I did get. And then this one's probably my favorite one, retro. So that is that. Then we have beauty because. So first I got the watermelon tart juicy cakes tinted lip balm, which right now I'm wearing the peach one on my lips right now, and it's literally looks like lipstick. Like, I'm obsessed. So I got the watermelon one. Then I'm discombobbled. Then I did get another makeup eraser, makeup corrector gel pen. Because like I said, these are literally the best thing ever in makeup, literally. Then, finally, we got some new face masks. This is the Night Before Christmas Wicked Apple Scented Facial Sheet Mask. So we have the Wicked Apple. And then this one is the same thing, Wicked Apple. It's just a different like print, which I didn't realize that until like after I checked out. I'm like, oh, these are the same exact scent, just different like characters. But this one is Sweet Pumpkin Scented Facial Sheet Mask. So this one is different. This is Sweet Pumpkin, which I'm excited for. Then, random, I found this with the candles. It's the Candle Stabilizing Adhesive. Yeah, so, like, I don't know if you can see. I have a candle back there somewhere, like in a little stand. In this, you put on it so it stays in there. And I think this is a great little thing to have. $4.25, so snagged her. Then another restock of my favorite freaking lip balm to exist, but this is going in the gift basket. Then we got by the Joha brand, which don't worry, I'm racking up my little bucket of Joha lip glosses to do a video. But we got this one, and this is in dessert. Okay, I always learned 2 S's is dessert because you want more dessert. I learned that in school, and how many years later I still use that. So this is in dessert, and I really like the color. While we're on lips, let's just do the lips. Then we got this. Never seen this on the internet. I don't know anything about it, but Pouty Lips Volumizing Lip Serum. Twist cap to remove and apply as you would any lip gloss, and they will appear fuller, moisturized, and more luxurious. So it's a lip plumper. But I've never seen this before, never heard of the brand, made in the UK. So we got this. I'm so excited. I'm definitely going to do a short or TikTok on this because never seen this. Then, while we're on lips, I found the new Boba Tea Milk new lipsticks. It's my cat. Oh, my cat sees something outside and she's going insane. Anyway, so this is the Boba Milk Tea Lip Gloss in Peach. So we have the Boba Peach. And then this one I'm super stoked for. This is Boba Milk Tea Lip Gloss in Matcha. Would I ever drink matcha? No, but I like the scent. I know it's weird. So we have the Matcha Lip Gloss. No. I'm yelling at her. Just throwing the leaves on the floor. Then we got the strawberry scented boba. So these are the 3 new little boba tea lip glosses. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do a full. There's so much new makeup. I have to do a full video on trying all the new makeup. Then by LA Colors, we got some new stuff. So we have the liquid makeup foundation. Mess-free pump, and this is in True Beige. I got 2 shades because I have no idea. Like, you literally just can't tell. So this is the new foundation. Complete coverage, luminous finish. So I got this one in True Beige, and then I got this one in Natural, just because you cannot tell. So I was like, you know what? I'm getting both. Whatever one works. So, new foundations by LA Colors. Then I got the concealer in Nude. It looks like a good concealer, so I got the concealer in Nude. And then I got the, what's that? Then I got the pressed powder in Nude also to go with my new foundation and concealer. We got the powder to go with it, and then I have the setting spray already. So yeah, we got this powder. Then I got my grandma the Petal Bloom new shade in the Glow Up blush. Got her that because I'm obsessed with it. Then I finally found the new bronzers and blushes. So this is the new liquid bronzer in Sunset Glow, Buildable Sun-Kissed Glow. Oh, you can see like the shimmer in there. So we got Sunset Glow. And then we got Radiant Tan, which this definitely seems really dark. So, yeah, Sunset Glow and Radiant Tan and the new liquid bronzers. Yeah, we're doing a full video on trying all this. And we have 2 new liquid blushes, which I didn't know, never saw it on TikTok. This is Mystic Mauve. I like that. And then this one is my favorite. Like, are you kidding? This is Pink Punch. Like, look how pinky that is. Like, I cannot. Also, red flag, there's a sticker on the back, so these prices are going to go up. I hate that. Some lady asked me what the red stickers meant on the thing, and I told her, and she was so upset. I was like, yeah. But yeah, this is Pink Punch. So, more of the story is, yesterday I scored. But that concludes my little weekly Dollar Tree haul. I finally found some new finds, which I'm stoked about because it's been a hit or miss lately. Also, that is the candle that I was talking about for that stuff on the bottom. But anyway, yeah, I'm happy with what I found this week. Hopefully this weekend I go to new locations with my aunt and we can score some new goodies. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys on hunt for, favorite product, what you've been hunt for. And definitely hit that subscribe button and share the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one.